investing here because lands are very cheap, but actually they want to have their own place because Jericho is one of the most beautiful places that you could ever think about.
Sa Jericho na tayo. Part ng Palestinian border.
This car.
Ay. Okay.
Jericho. Jericho, it means, it's a Hebrew word, it means Yareyah. It's the city of the moon.
Is this new construction or stop
Yes,
construction?
new buildings, new investors. Local people who live here, they came from Sudan. That's why you see their skin is a little bit dark. It's different than any other. It wasn't inhabited, but they tried hard to make it actually active because of the inhabitants who lives here, and it became really one of the most beautiful cities. That's why us, when we have vacation, we come to Jericho. We don't need to go to the Dead Sea. We don't need to buy anything or to go anywhere else. This here, it's enough that you can enjoy the whole day in Jericho. It's not boring city. It's really always, it makes you feel happy, and the weather is nice. It's not hot like the Dead Sea. Even in winter time, we come here so we can enjoy. We take resorts. Sometimes we go for a swim. One
The
night,
oldest
2
city
nights. We enjoy.
on earth. Panuhan pa
There
rin
is something here
City
that
of
I don't know
Monks
if
wala
we
po
will
sila
find
ng
it
Jericho
open when we
City
come
of-
out.
City of Monks.
I hope
Bakit
it will stay
monks?
open.
Yung
But
kanina kinikwento mo, may
there's
isa na
something
lang
we
siya
call it the hand blow
sa
glass.
bundok.
The hand blow glass is the glass, the beautiful glass, that it is color. It has vessels. They have vessels for fruits, plates, decorated. It's handmade. You can put, and that's why after
Mount
that,
of
Jesus
Temptation.
was able to be in the wilderness, more and more fire, and that's why we call it Mount of Temptation. Mount of Temptation, or we call it the Mount Karantum. Karantum means 40 days that he's been fasting. That's why they built a monastery on top of the mountain. It's far away, and that monastery, they call it the monastery of Karantum. The 40 days fasting.
40 days
It's a
past.
Greek Orthodox monastery. It goes back to the 5th century AD. AD, it means Anno Domini. We see before Christ.
Oh wow.
You can see on top of the middle of the mountain, the monastery up there. You will see it from the top. But we came here to show you and have the chance.
So
To enjoy
currently,
everything.
nandito tayo sa may Jericho.
Mount of Temptation ni Bagyo.
Tinemplo. Oh. Ako sundin mo. Ayun, kung nasan yung sun. That's the monastery up there. Ayun, ayun. Yeah. Ayun. Ayun. Yun ang mountain. Ang ganda ng araw. Tignan mo naman ang sikat niya. Tapos, yun ba yung sinasabi niyang walang umaakyat doon? There's a cable car. May cable car.
May nagpupunta rin dyan.
Where's the... I want one. I want to order one. How much? Huh?
Huh?
Two. Discount. $2.
How much ka?
Ha? Pomegranate na dyan.
Isa lang.
Isa lang talaga.
Pwede ko mag... Isa lang.
Okay.
Ah, is it okay? Thank you. Haha, $2.
Ang isa.
Ah? Yeah. Mommy, isang pomegranate. Ito na, hawak ko naman. Alright, this is as fresh as you can get. Pomegranate. Sa pomegranate.
جميع خرجينها بس بدك تفضل شذاب.
Uy.
Huwag na rin siya. You're welcome to Jericho.
Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Dahan-dahan, baka malayan yung damit mo. Okay, ma'am. Inom na, lapit ka na. Masarap? Okay, hawakan mo muna. Magbabayad po ako. Hawakan niyo.
You're welcome to Jericho.
Thank you. Say hi to my vlog. Here's $2. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh! What was that? I got shocked. Thank you.
Sorry,
Alright. Let's try this.
It's not cold.
Hmm?
It's not cold.
It's the freshest you can get though. Inom pa. Sarap.
Wine.
Oh, parang wine. Yeah.
It's like a fresh.
Ang alcohol pala na isang lalagyan mo is...
$2.
Ha?
$2.
$2. Tatlong piga. Tatlong fresh fruits.
Tatlo lang yung ginagawa.
Tatlong piniga niya. Tapos, yung mga buto, wala na, flat lang siya.
Kasama buto.
Oh, kumbaga,
Tatlong pa.
buong ano yan.
Tatlo ba yun? Tatlo yung kanyang hinatin.
Butas. Opo, ito. Yan, tatlo niyan.
Tatlo niya lang. Isang ganito.
Opo. Okay ba yan?
At least ito, okay ito. Makikita mo.
Mas worth it ba yan kesa
Oo.
dun sa loob?
Sa loob.
Ayaw mo yung nasa loob? Bakit? Dapat pala kanina pa tayo nandito. Ito ang Mount of Temptation.
Nakalagay daw ang pangalan.
Opo, lalakarin natin.
Mount of Temptation. Ayan yung parang ganun. Ayan yung Mount of Temptation. Diyan pinend lang.
Naglagay ng monastery.
Oo.
Tapos ayun yung kinikwento mo na
Oo.
hindi na sila bumababa.
Hindi na. Dati 21 daw ang monks diyan.
Tapos,
Ngayon isa na lang.
isa na lang
Isa
ang
na
natitira
lang.
dyan.
Natitira, oo. And wala pa sa mga sunod.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Nandun bang monastery o ito?
Oo.
Hindi ko nga
Diyan sa
maintindihan.
taas.
Ay, ayun!
Ayun na.
Ay, bakit
Bongga.
may cable car eh?
Oo, pag meron magkapa. Pero ang monks dyan, hindi sila bumababa. They live in a plan. Pag daw wala nang nagbaba ng basket. Okay.
Ibig sabihin,
Patay na.
tsugi na siya.
Oo, tsugi na siya. Dahil diyan yun. May
Camel o.
may magbababa ng basket. Dahil wala siyang kinakain. Umaasa lang siya sa bigay ng mga
Tao
ng
na
mga tao
nandito
dito
sa baba.
oo.
The oldest city in the world, 10,000 years old, Temptation Mountain, Hisham Palace. O, mami, papakuha tayo kay Arman. Magaling si Sir. Kunan mo kami. Mama, lakad tayo. Lakad pa tayo dito.
No use camera.
Halika, mami.
Malapit pa dito.
Sir, Arman,
Uy,
halika
tingnan mo na
dito.
yung camel ako. Ayan ang camel. Ay, ayan ang camel. Ayan ang
Wala
camel.
naman tayo dun eh.
Hindi, mag-picture na tayo dito ng camel. Ayan.
Wag dyan, may bayad dyan pag nag-picture-picture ka dyan. Para kunyari alam nila hindi tayo nagpapapicture dyan.
May bahay.
Kasi lahat ng ano, may ano eh, may
May isa na lang. Araw-araw din. Kasama mo ito, anak ko. Mount Temptation.
Hindi mo alam yung pinipicturean mo kanina ka pa.